good morning, Facebook Live. This is Sharon with Baking the Early Morning Edition. If you come on, please make sure you share on your timeline. But I have a quick demonstration of some sugar cookies this morning. I'm getting ready. We're going to be going out to the fairgrounds, to the Alachua County Fairgrounds on this evening. The fair starts tonight, so we're going to have a booth set out there, and I'm going to be probably giving away some free samples of cookies tonight, and then starting next week, we'll start selling some of the cookies. But I want to give a quick demonstration on the sugar cookies. Sugar cookies are really easy to make, and so just tune in and make sure you share on your timeline. Good morning, Fratina. Good to see you. So let me go ahead and get started. As usual, I have everything already pre-measured. We're going to sift the flour. And for this recipe of the sugar cookies, it takes 2 cups, actually 3 cups of flour. So I'm going to go ahead and sift the flour. And put it in the colander that I use for my sifting. And it takes no time at all. So I guess they wonder, why is this girl up so early baking some cookies? Well, bakers get up early. You know, the shop opens at 7 o'clock, maybe 8 o'clock, so the bakers have to be